Alright guys, back to the MFJ 1702B antenna switch. So this is what it's looking like. So I'm going to show you what I did. Alright, so I had to take out everything, all the pieces, and the original switch, which has a smaller shaft than this. So I had to widen this hole here. Wasn't hard to do. This is an aluminum enclosure, so it wasn't too hard. Grind out here with a grinder. Yeah, the edges here got a little damage, but that's not going to compromise anything. Alright, so made the room here for this on off